What's up, guys? Welcome back to another trick tutorial. And today we are going to go over the coveted trick that you all know, the rewind. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and admit I'm running into a little trouble with this trick. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever run into this problem, but there's some tricks that I know where I realize I don't actually know the stick commands on how to do a rewind. It's one of those things I just kind of like do, you know? I'm just kind of like flying around in that state of flow and all of a sudden it kind of just happens. But I don't really consciously think about the stick movements. So I really had trouble when I tried filming this the first time. I really didn't know the stick commands. So I went out and I did a bunch of rewinds and filmed them with the slow-mo stick cam so I myself can go back and watch the footage and learn what the stick commands are so I can teach you guys how to do one. But we have a slight issue. I have been analyzing this footage for days now, and I've really been struggling to come up with an actual set of instructions on how to do this. Holy shit!
You appear to be struggling, sir. How may I be of assistance?
Dude, you can't just sneak up on people like that. I'm trying to film a video here.
My apologies, sir, but I'm only here to help.
Well, I guess if I have you here, I have been struggling to figure out how to come up with a set of instructions for the rewind trick tutorial, but you don't even fly. You've never flown a drone. How would you even... What the f*** was that? What did you just do?
While you were carrying on about my incompetence, sir, I went ahead and analyzed the entirety of your flight footage from the evening and have come up with detailed instructions on the execution of the rewind trick.
Okay, can you like write it down so I can like go over it or something for the video, or...
Sir, I am merely a two-dimensional hologram and cannot interact with your three-dimensional objects such as a pen and paper.
Okay, that makes sense, but then what use do you... How am I supposed to teach people how to do... What the f*** was that again?
I went ahead and taken the liberty to upload the instructions to your computer, sir.
Okay. Oh, well, could you like walk me through how to do...
No.
Okay. Well, he seemed to write them down for me. Huh. Okay. Oh, that makes a lot of sense. This may be a little easier than I thought it was gonna be. Well, in that case, let's just go ahead and get right into it.
Alright, so first off, let's go ahead and watch the rewind a couple times in normal speed before we delve into the slow motion stick cam portion. This trick can be easily broken down into two parts. The first part being the initial flick to get yourself up to the top of the tree. And the second part is where you descend backwards down the tree the exact same path that you took along the way up. So to flick up the tree, all you have to do is give a pitch back while you blip the throttle up, and once you start traveling up the tree, both sticks are going to come slightly down and right. Let's go ahead and watch part 1 back in super slow motion. Once your quad has stopped moving, it is time to blip the throttle again and reverse yourself back down the tree. Now let's watch part 2 of this trick back again in slow motion. Let's really focus on the stick movements to do the reverse down the tree. As you can see, to reverse down the tree, all you have to do is the exact opposite of the stick movements you did in part 1. So since in part 1 we pulled the sticks down to the right, to reverse down the tree, both sticks are going to have to go up and to the left.
And that is all, guys. That is your step-by-step instruction on how to do the rewind. Now keep in mind, the hardest part of this trick isn't necessarily the stick movement. It's really learning how to carry your momentum up and then reverse your momentum back down again, and it's something that just takes a lot of practice. And also, don't forget, when you exit this trick, you are flying totally blind in reverse, so you're gonna have to have some pretty good spatial awareness. So go ahead and practice this trick at a spot you are very comfortable and very familiar with. But regardless, I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Smash that like button. If you want to help support this channel and making these videos happen more frequently, go ahead and follow that Patreon link in the description below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't and hit that bell so you are notified instantly when any of those videos go live. And as always, I will see you guys next time.